Hey guys, how you doing? How's your day going? And we're just starting. How was your night? Hope you had an amazing and a beautiful night rest. My name is Phrase, and you're currently tuned into. Well, depends on where you're watching from. If you're on YouTube, then you're currently tuned into my channel, Chibdom Obasi. If you're on Instagram, you're watching me from my shorts at underscore dot underscore PRAIZ. And if it's from TikTok, you are watching my video at mobile.desk. Wherever you are, don't forget to check out all the other socials which I just mentioned. Well, to make a very quick video, I'll show you how you can get Harvard's CS50P, that's CS50 Python course, for free. Two ways. The first one is to head over to their YouTube. Head over to their YouTube. The YouTube will direct you to where you need to go and check every other thing out. Or you can just simply go to edX, which is one of the very popular learning site, and just search for Harvard Python course. You'll be redirected here. I'm going to leave the link in the description on the YouTube video, and you can head over there to check it. Or you can go directly to Harvard's own website, which is cs50.harvard.edu, and you're going to do like the /python/2022 because that's the year we're at. And yeah, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and do whatever you need to do. Thank you all for watching. Bye guys.